minimum and maximum in the list using link C#. So the requirement using link, how can I get the minimum from column 1, maximum from column 2 for the selected ID. This is the input given to us, requirement given to us. ID is ID column, column 1 column, column 2 column. So basically in ID 221, 221, 221 and 222, 222, 222, column 1 represents the minimum values. We need to get minimum value from the column 1. From the column 2 we need to get the maximum value using C# link. So how can we achieve this? Using link. Yeah, this is the test data. I have added test data into list of min max list class. So basically in min max list class will contain 3 columns. One is ID, minimum value, maximum value. This minimum value represents column 1 in our requirement. This will represent column 2 in our requirement. This is equivalent to ID. Yeah, we can use same one. Fine. Now I'm adding the same data, this entire data, same data to my list using list.add. So my list is min max list object, adding the new class of ID, min value, max value. So all data added to this particular list. Once you add to the list, then we need to query this. First we need to do group by ID, so that we will get unique IDs, that is 221, 222 will get as per the input, and based on that we can select information from the list, which is the minimum value, which is the maximum value, and ID. So this will give the minimum value. This particular function method define the system defined method minimum, that is .NET framework given to us, that is minimum and maximum. So based on this we'll get min value and max value into the list. Now we can iterate to the loop using the for each, and then we can display the individual values. Let me run this program and will show you the output. Yes, you can see here the output 221, minimum value is 1, maximum value is 56. For ID 222, minimum value is 1, maximum value is 34. Can we go and confirm that from the requirement? Yes, you can come here 221, the minimum value is 1, maximum value is 34. For 222, the minimum value is 1, maximum value is 34. For 221, sorry, the maximum value is 56, not 34. Minimum value is 1, maximum value is 34. Minimum value is 1, maximum value is 34 for 2221. You can check here, the output is correct. Thanks all. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.